Hiya. So can you tell us what it is and show us how it works, please? So we've got a little container of water here. Slots into the machine. Okay. And it's already, and that's ready. You can just take it straight away. And can you use Can you use water? Any drink with it? Anything at all? Let's just see it in a. Oh, catch that. Oh yeah, I should check this. And I'm worried now. So nice and fizzy. So as you can see, this is just a carbonizer. It's called the Cheer Soda. I think I'm reading that right. Yeah. And so it will fizz up pretty much anything, any liquid you care to put into it, using these little modular containers. And if we pull out, you can see it's available in a range of colours and designs as well. Can I ask, if someone wants to source this, what is the MOQ? How much does it cost?
It's about MOQ is 200 piece.
And like an FOB price?
The price is. We can offer the best
it's negotiable.
Price.
Yeah. So like if someone wants, like they can come and ask you about it.
Yeah.
And are you already selling this? Like already manufacturing?
Yes, we are factory of the soda maker, and this is our first time to attend this exhibition. So we have the market in Japan already.
Okay. And you're like looking for more different countries as well.
Yeah.
All right, fantastic. So there you go. That's the Cheer Soda. And if you want to come to booth, hang on, 1B17, you'll find it right here at Global Sources Lifestyle. Come and talk to the guys. Maybe have a refreshing fizzy drink while you're here and try it out. And you can also discover the show's going on now until the 30th of October. And if you get admission from globalsources.com/exhibitions to this show, you'll also get in free to Global Sources Fashion right next door. So do make sure you do that. There's 2,500 booths of gifts, home products like this, and fashion products all under one roof. Thank you very much for watching this little demo here on Facebook, and we hope to see you very soon. Goodbye.